connected do sa college degree. Anong certificates ang kailangan para ma-hire? Okay, ito again. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Anong certificates na kailangan nyo para ma-hire kayo sa online freelancing world, or ano yung mga certificates na kailangan nyo para makakuha kayo ng kliyente? Guess. Ganyan lang dyan. Lapag nyo lang dyan. Take a guess. Anong certificates? Meron ba kayong naiisip na particular certificates para makakuha kayo ng kliyente? Okay, sabi ni Alex, okay, good. Okay, isa-isa na. Sabi ni Alex, mga courses ng VA sa online na nag-offer. So, certificates ba galing sa program? Sabi ni Stephen naman, training on the specific skill required. Okay, so question. It's not really an answer, pero question. Pero thank you for answering with a question, guys. Okay. Ang answer is none. So pa yun. Ayun, it's a trick question. Sorry, pero yeah, it's a trick question. Walang certificates. There's no certificate needed para maka-acquire ng kliyente. Why? Then again, kasi isipin nyo a certificate is just training. Okay, parang degree lang yun na parang college degree lang yun, college diploma. It equates to training. Ibig sabihin, nag-train kayo, but that doesn't mean that you can solve a problem because anyone can go through training, but not everyone can apply the solution that you gain from training. Okay, hindi ibig sabihin na nag-aral ka, pagkatapos mo ng pag-aaral is equipped ka na. Okay? So, walang bearing ang certificate dito. Hindi nyo kailangan ng certificate dito. Kahit anong program yung pasukin nyo, at kahit ano na nagbibigay ng certificate, walang kwento yun. Actually, in regards to that, I advise, and totoo to I advise na kung graduate kayo sa kung saan mang program yan na pinasukan nyo, mapamahal, mapamura, whatever it is, mapalibre, I highly advise, huwag nyo lagyan ng certificate yung portfolio nyo. Bakit? Bakit naman Pop Smart? Di ba? Hindi ba para mas kapani-paniwala pag may certificate? Kasi ito lang yan Ang simple lang ng sagot lang din dyan. Pag meron kayong nilalagay ng mga certificate sa portfolio nyo or sa profile nyo, you're just telling everyone, you're just telling the whole world that you are a newbie. That you just came from training. Alam mo yun, nasipunin ka pa. Uhugin ka pa. Yun lang yun. Uhugin ka. Wala pa masyadong alam. Galing kang training lang. And no one will hire parang a newly trained newbie. Totoo lang. Okay? Wala. Basta tagal-tagal kong ginagawa to. Wala. I'd rather not put anything sa profile ko that will show that na nabaguhan ako. Okay? I'm not saying that you fake it till you make it, but mas makakabuti sa inyo na hindi certificates or huwag kayong maglagay ng certificate sa profile nyo. Yeah, for the simple fact na nagmukha kayong baguhan. Okay? And then lahat naman tayo baguhan at one point. Pero di ba, who would hire a baguhan or a newbie? Wala. Madalang. Okay? So, pwede nyo ba ilagay dyan sa chat box? Certificates are worthless.